I've got an hour and 20 minutes to decide whether I'm racing or no. That's what it is. Hell yeah! Morning.
Morning, speak to the racer here.
And the sun, look.
Oh yeah,
Show off my good side.
That's his good side. Morning, out at Lucas Cottage here.
There's the Elgin truck, Doctor.
Aye, that's me.
Good morning, campers.
Good morning.
Morning, Ryan. Where are we today? Where are we today?
Lucas.
We're at Lucas. And it's bloody freezing.
Not that cold, but...
It is, look. Never mind.
Do you have your bike out yet?
No, the bike's still in the back of the van.
Why?
I've got an hour and 20 minutes to decide whether I'm racing or no.
You're listening.
The track's pretty wet, is it?
Go up for the qualifying and see.
I don't know. I don't know.
I know you've been practicing in this all winter. Why would you not? Very nervous, especially. Well, I think. It's Honda's just. Give me a hat, that red hat for the club.
I've got the wrong hat on. I'll let you get a. Did you get my tin of red spray paint?
No.
No, I need to spray my stand.
Buy a bloody new, you tight bugger. Yeah, tell me buy a new stand. Tom's got Honda ones, don't they? Tell me put that
Well,
KTM in the
I
bin.
think he does.
Oh well.
You're racing, are you?
I did again. I'm not sure. I'm not fucking.
Hello, Chutney.
Yep.
How was that practice?
Can I see? Can I see a thing? Jesus. It's not too bad, I have to say. It's not as bad as I expected. Put it like that. Just getting used to the track and the ruts and kind of how it goes, and we'll be fine. We'll just chunder on, see what we can do, see how far we can finish.
Hi! Mama! Mama! Woo! Go, Chutney! Practice, Mark.
Practice wasn't good. First race wasn't good. Pulled in. Crashed twice in practice. Twice the 3 laps that I'd done in the first race. Pulled in. I'm done for the day. Yeah.
I had a decent. Again, I should have knocked up a gear. I was like, Bobby was just as bad.
Second. Through the left hand.
Was that like good?
Way too quick.
No.
Way too tight.
Start was good though.
The start was alright. That was about the best bit of the race. Oh, it's hard going. Like it's heavy in a wee bike.
Mark Mason's done for the
Go on.
Mark Mason factory license is done for the day.
Is he?
Because he crashed twice in the qualifying, crashed twice race in the 3 laps he did in the race.
You only did 3 laps?
Yeah,
Did he pull off?
I think so.
Oh my god. Mr. Mark Mason, factory racing. I think we'll need to ditch the factory racing just now for today.
Not missing.
That was hard going. Not enough ponies under the engine. Need some more ponies. I need to get a flipping 250 singing, but oh, it's not easy today. But never mind. It's a learning curve. But aye, not too bad. I endured the whole race and I didn't fall off. I just got stuck ahead Mark when he fell off. Mark Mason. Aye. That's why I was so far back. They wouldn't have mattered, I wouldn't have been any quicker anyway, so. Well, never mind. That's a race won. Done and dusted. I wouldn't say dusted. Not dusted the other day. But no. Mind and like and subscribe, guys. Keep all the followers going. But, how did your dad get on, by the way? He hurt his knee?
Yeah.
Oh, and the name. What a lad. Oh well. Well, we'll go and see him, we'll see how he's doing. And he's still bet me, like, he's still laughing at me. Roll on, race 2. Toodaloo!
How was your race?
A good race. The start wasn't that great, but picked off a few boys in the first few laps and got into 3rd and just settled there. And there's I heard a few guys behind me at some times, but I just kept on trying to hit my lines, and it was good race. P3, so good a gap on the boys, the bunch behind, so that was good. I was trying to keep an eye on them, but also try and look ahead, chase the boys in front, but no, it was good. Good first race.
Never mind the 4-stroke, never mind the 4 gauge, then 2-stroke.
For you, Chutney.
Well, it was 2 positions better than it was the last race, first race, so that's good, isn't it?
Yep.
Lovely.
Good job.
That's what it's about. Making progress. Never mind. That's it for today though. Where's the next race? 10 Scottish, oh my god. Sand track again, hopefully it's a bit better than this in the day. Yeah?
Yeah.
And well anyway, that's it. Till the next time. Toodaloo.